first attempt at loading the skid steer onto the trailer, and I don't like it, but we gotta try. So we're gonna tip it up just a little bit so it won't be such a big drop once he gets past the ramp. It's in, but we still have to get it out at some point. Hang tight. Before we go, we're going to unload it just to be sure everything's fine. So here's the unloading. The trailer's tipped up some so that fall isn't going to be I didn't see it move. Now we're going to load for real.